Okay, we got a pretty full house tonight, guys, so we're probably going to be holding the curtain. 15 minutes.
Thank you, 15.
Thank you.
Oh.
Anyone out there tonight?
No. What about you?
Nope.
Yo, did you read that article this morning?
Which?
This morning.
On the Kurds?
No. Why? Is there something up with the Kurds?
Yeah, they're completely pissed.
Really?
Totally.
Mike.
What?
Are you a Kurd?
No. Why?
I don't know. I just thought that maybe.
What?
No, I don't know.
I have Kurdish tendencies?
No. Yeah. No, I don't know. It's just that sometimes you...
Man, Kurds are a whole different ballgame. Total Sunni badasses. I wish I was a Kurd.
Yeah. Me too.
Do you want to run it?
Sure.
Ha!
Oh my God. Hungover. All right. Think she'd mind?
No. Sorry, it's not better beer.
Not a biggie. She a good roommate?
She's alright. Sucks at doing dishes.
Has you guys ever,
No, she's not my type. She's like engaged to the world fully, and I'm just a stay-home slob.
maybe you should get, more involved?
How?
I don't know. Read a newspaper, get on a plane and go somewhere. Fucking travel, you know?
I think
The world's out there, man. It's ours for the taking.
I've watched too much football.
Fuck football. Everything in moderation.
You see that Eagles game?
I did. But does it matter?
Not really.
That's what I'm saying, Jeff. Just gotta soar. That's all there is to it. You just gotta soar. Wow. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Whoa, what the fuck, man?
Sorry, I didn't mean anything by it.
It's a little weird.
I know.
Okay.
I just wanted to see where the moment went. It was character study. I was trying to figure out what they would do if there wasn't always that sound cue there. I know what you're thinking.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. You think I'm like some gay Kurd.
Okay. Are you pissed about that?
About what?
That I thought you were a Kurd.
Why would I be pissed?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you don't like Kurds or something.
I told you I like them.
You said you admire them. But who's to say you're not ethnically predisposed to like hating them or
Fine.
something?
But if I was pissed, then why would I kiss you?
So I don't know, because you think you're getting into character.
Fine. So what does that have to do with the Kurds?
Nothing.
Okay then.
Fine. But here's my thing, okay? I'm just here trying to serve the peace, right? And as far as life, we're all just who we are when no one's looking. And that's all well and good, and that really doesn't matter, as long as you serve up the dish when it counts. But what does matter is you don't go playing games during a line through.
Who's playing games?
Look, you know how I am. So for you to come in here and start extra kissing on the night of our final fucking preview is just weird, dishonest experimentation.
Now you're implying shit.
No, I'm not.
Of course you are. You're calling it extra kissing when I just told you I was conducting character investigation.
Okay, fine, then let's kiss. Outside the scene. No, seriously, come on, big boy. Big man on campus, put your money where your mouth is.
Jim, I'm not like that.
Bullshit.
I'm sorry, but I'm not.
Well, neither am I.
Fine.
So then let's just kiss. As us. Two gentlemen having a little kiss.
Why?
to get it out of our systems.
It's not in my system.
Oh, bullshit. You were just practicing how to... Want to run the second scene?
Sure.
Sri Lanka's on a path to self-destruction and the world isn't even paying attention.
Don't get so passionate on me. You know where it makes me go.
Where?
Straight to the gold mine.
I thought you weren't like that.
I'm not.
Well, what are you?
Passionate.
You could say that again.
Passionate.
What about?
I wish I could say Sri Lanka, but I'm afraid I'm too self-involved. I guess you could say I'm passionate about acting.
It's an admirable profession.
It's semi-sophisticated narcissism.
If I were falling, I'd probably be falling for you.
Are you?
Don't know, Jeff. Try never to predict when I'm about to fall. Otherwise, I land too easily. Generally, I like the bumps.
I like the bumps, too.
Five minutes.
Thank you, 5.
Thank you, 5. Minutes.
Did I, tell you I got laid last night? No. I did. This girl named, well, she came up to me after the show and said she loved my vulnerability.
Was it fun?
No.
You want to run the end?
Sure. Great. I'm scared.
Jeff,
What?
so am I. But don't be. Everything will be okay.
But how do you know?
Well, because you have to soar, Jeff.
I want to soar, Bob.
Let's soar, Jeff.
Let us soar.
Let us soar.
Places.
Thank you. Places.
All right. Let's do this thing,
Let's
man.
go do it.
Break a leg, dude. Break a leg, man. All right.